Hello guys, this is Jeevan. From today onwards, we are going to start a new series. So we are going to solve competitive programming questions on Hackerrank. If you don't know what is Hackerrank is a platform where you can practice coding questions. So in this series, we are going to solve questions in Python. So I'll recommend you to first learn Python. At the beginning of this series, we are going to solve basic questions like which are easy. And we will also try to solve medium and hard questions. At the end of this series, you will know the optimal way to approach a problem. So let's start with our first problem. So in Python, as you can see, I have already solved a few problems. So the first question in Python is hello world. Obviously, whenever we learn a new language, the first line of our code will be hello world. So in Python, we already have a function called print. So using that, we can directly print whatever we want. So the input format to so we have to print hello world. Just copy that and paste in between the double quotes, or else you can type hello world. So make sure that you give the correct spaces. You make sure the spellings are right, and you all. So let's run the code. Obviously it will be passing the sample test cases. Then yeah, I've also submitted the code. As we have done nothing, just we have put the string in between the double quotes in a print function. So this is our first program. Let's meet in another video with another question.